Hello, Math 12 students. Week 2 is just about done and we're ready to start on week 3. So I wanted to show you on the home page, if you scroll down, you'll find the button that takes you directly to that module. I also wanted to point out on the home page that you have a to-do list, but I would warn you that if you just look at the to-do list, you're missing all of the learning resources that are in the modules. All that is assignments that have to be turned in that have points associated with them. So I'll show you the module in a moment. We'll go ahead and click the button for the week 3 module. And I can't access it yet as a student because I haven't completed module 0 and the week 1 module and the week 2 module. So it's not letting me access. So now if I go out of the student view, I'm in the teacher view. And I'm in the week 3 module, and you can see that I set it up so that the prerequisites, what you have to complete before the week 3 module will open, is the week 2 module. So let's go back and remember what was in the week 2 module. So you need to look at the week 2 intro video, check your Sierra College student email, look at Quick Quiz 2, look at Quick Quiz 3, look at the Shine quiz. So you don't have to submit it in order to move on to the next module, you just have to view it. And then you also need to view the discussion and the journal. And then below that, these are the things that don't show up if all you look at is the to-do list. You don't see that there are worksheets and links to the textbook embedded right here in the module to help you find what you need. So in week 3, this is a holiday week because Monday the 6th is a holiday. Let me also make sure you're aware that Monday the 6th is the last day to drop a class and not have any notation on your transcript. If you drop by Monday night, it will be as if you never signed up for the course and you get a refund. It's automatically generated. It doesn't come immediately. It sits as a credit on your account for a while, and they only process the refunds a couple of times a month. So this is the week 3 module. Because of the Monday holiday, there is only a quick quiz due on Thursday. So this is a light week. So it's a really good chance to catch up and or get ahead. And I put a video here called How to Tell if a Sequence is Arithmetic. This has been a sticky spot each time I teach Math 12, so I decided to make a little video to try and help explain this because it's a little bit higher level concept than you may have run into before. Then there's no Shine quiz because of the Monday holiday. We're not doing very much additional work this week, so there wasn't a lot of new things to put on a Shine quiz, so I decided not to have one this week. Again, this gives you a chance to catch up and or get ahead. Then there is a discussion board and a journal, and only Newton homework due Thursday because of the Monday holiday. So there's 3 sections again. And this is the last week that I'll have you click on every resource to make sure you know they're there. And then after that, there won't be click to view on any of these resources. They'll just be available for you. But I wanted to make sure you knew where they were and what was available to you. So the worksheets are extra practice problems. I'll show you this worksheet. And they also often have formulas. So here's the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series right there in a nice little teal box. So this is a good place to go to look for formulas that you're going to need for your section of homework. So you could look at these worksheets before you go to the homework and you might find that helpful. Then there's practice problems here. And if you scroll down, there's an answer key. So all the answers to the questions are always there. It doesn't show you how to do the work. So if you have any questions about the worksheet, that would be a great thing to ask me. How did they get the answer to number 3? And I'll be happy to answer. Chances are good that if you have that question, a bunch of people have the same question. And so often I find the best way to get that information out to everybody is to make a brief video and send it to everyone. So I'm happy to do that. I want to do whatever is going to help you learn. So please ask for what you need, and I'll be so glad to do that. So let me know if there's anything I can do to help with your learning this week. And please use this opportunity of the Monday holiday as a chance to get ahead of schedule. And you'll be so glad when life intervenes, which it always seems to do, and eats up time that you thought you were going to be able to use for math. And as always, I would much rather have your best work a day late than not your best work by the 11:59 due date. That due date is really arbitrary. Turn it in the next day if that's going to be what you need to do to give me your best work. Okay, so I hope you have a great holiday weekend, and we'll be back Zooming on Wednesday.